where that data from past cases can be important. And so the central repository is that smaller data set of the important facts from your past cases. So some use cases that we'll see later in this course. There's something called the Other Occurrences Content Viewer in the lower right-hand corner that will show you if a file or other artifact was seen in past cases and what those case details were. You can also make a comment about a file and store it in a central repository so that future cases can see the comment that you made about that file. If you did a lot of reverse engineering work, for example, on a file or a program, you can record what that program did so that future people can see the same results. With the CR, you can also centralize the management of notable hash sets or known hash sets, such as the NSRL. So you can have all of your hash sets stored in a central repository instead of having all of your examiners manage their own hash sets. And we'll also see a use case where if you flag a file as notable, then future cases will automatically flag that file. And you don't have to manage hash sets like some groups do of past notable files as a separate kind of step. It gets done automatically. So when you tag a file as notable, future cases will also have that file get flagged. There's two types to deploy the central repository. One is as SQLite, and this requires no other installations. It can be done by only one user at a time. So in this model, you say I want SQLite. It's going to make a SQLite database on your desktop computer, and you can correlate with your past cases. The big caveat here is don't try and be smart and put that SQLite database on a shared location where you have multiple examiners trying to access it at the same time. SQLite won't like that, and you'll have problems. Second approach is use Postgres, where you have the database stored on in a database Postgres server, and multiple examiners can access that at the same time. And this can be the same server that you use for multi-user cases. So if you're going to set up Autopsy as a multi-user collaborative environment, you can use that same Postgres database for both the multi-user cases as well as the central repository. In terms of picking a type for the CR, if you're a single-person shop, stick with SQLite. It should cover most of your use cases. But if you have multiple people in the lab and you may want to collaborate and see all the results from your colleagues, set up Postgres. It's pretty easy. We have instructions in the user documentation on how to get it set up and how to configure it.